Aloha, friends. This is Tutu at Aloha Food Forest, and it's such a beautiful day today. It's almost the winter solstice of 2022, and we have laid down this beautiful carpet of mulch. So it makes the land feel warmer. Plus we have a lot of large trees that are slowing the wind. So this is a beautiful example of a food forest. The old trees were already here, but when we start food forests, we can do so in a small portion of land. So it's very fun to grow in a food forest, even if it's a young food forest. So here's a fun thing that we did recently. This was suggested by my son and his girlfriend, and it is making these little like chianampas kind of canals through the garden. And this is where we get some rain coming out of a pipe. So this is, in permaculture, it's a swale, and this will bring water, will soak down into the soil through here. It's kind of deep, but I have covered it with mulch just to keep it all warm. And then here's our garden. It's quite wild, really. The fennel and the nasturtiums and the aloes, some chard, collard greens, wild lettuces, and a few things that I've added in here, like here's a little blueberry that I just put here. But yeah, a lot of just beautiful wild stuff, and throwing in some things that we choose as well. Those are some potatoes. Yeah, and pigeon peas are such a fun plant to have, and they produce so much abundance. And here's our banana stand. Yes. Oh, look, the sweet potatoes looking very happy after this mulching treatment. Yes. So sprouting up right there. Yeah, so here is the food forest. These are cuttings from other plants. You can see nasturtiums. We've added in some small fruit trees. And here are the green onions. And you can see that even though it's winter time here, it's quite warm and lovely, and the mulch makes it even better. So super happy that we have the opportunity to create a mulch covered forested floor. It's fun, the birds love it, the soil life loves it, and we're just very happy to be participating with all the animals here. It seems to me that the birds do a lot of the planting, and like every little creature has their own special things they do, little jobs that they do in the food forest. Here's some calendula flowers. We tend to have, see, this Swiss chard grows by seed. This is a fun fragrant herb that grows by seed. So this is kind of a wildflower area, but I do have some grapes over there, and I'm going to add some more stuff in here. And this garden, I'm redoing this one. So, because the dog dug up everything I put in this garden. So, anyway, I have a new slate. I'm going to try to learn how to properly trim the grapevine. And you can see the pecan tree. There it is after it lost all of its leaves. You can still see the husks the brown husks. Let's see. Those were the fruit, I guess, that held the seed, the nut. So there they were, and they dropped those. So it's very beautiful. Beautiful trees. This tree was here way before the next tree. So you can see the tree in the front, much bigger. And the tree in the back, much smaller, and wasn't even making pecans when we first got here. It took me a while to verify for sure that it was a pecan tree because I didn't know them that well. But once it did start showing signs of fruiting and flowering, then yes, it was easy to tell. Okay, so it's a beautiful day. I really love the mulch. It makes it feel so warm. And the birds seem to love it. So one of the fun things about our doggie is she does tear up stuff. So she's got it cleared a little bit here. That's a big path. And then we can make some more, we can do some more fun things with that area. So anyway, I send you all aloha, love and blessings, and happy solstice wherever you are. I hope you hear me wish you aloha and all the best wishes for you and your family and all the creatures on earth. May we live in a beautiful, infinitely abundant garden and share love, joy, peace, and aloha.